MPCC President Kasham Meghachandra says it is the responsibility of BJP government in centre and state to ensure the attendance of 10 KUKI MLAs in the upcoming assembly session. He added that finding solution for the restive violent crisis in the absence of KUKI MLAs will not bear fruit. Union Home Minister Amit Shah must make adequate security arrangements in order to bring the KUKI MLAs for the assembly session. The MPCC President was speaking on the sidelines of an inspection visit to Nilikuthi Food Park near Koirengei and also to Directorate of Commerce and Industries. Speaking further, Meghachandra said the cold storage plant in Nilikuthi Food Park is lying defunct and Directorate of Commerce and Industries suffers from various shortcomings including manpower crunch. Speaking further, Meghachandra said these issues will be raised in the upcoming Legislative Assembly session. He demanded government to carry out proper investigation regarding laxity in operating this food park, which otherwise has the potential to provide job opportunities to various unemployed youths in the state.
Idle project miyam ama laibasi question khara hangnanabagi sem sananaba miyamgi parjagi kananabagi damakta aduga mari leinana ekhoi sports verification tawba khoi check tawba lakpani Nilikuthi food park sida lairibasi hairiba cold storage sarakanda thamakanda nongmabok function tawdi adramasi government na chahi mapal se project se complete tawraga function tawdribsi karigino parja miyamda masi kanaba pidribasi karigino Tabak Pangdaba, say Ichan Naharol Singh, Imaibel, Halaman Mam lady, Sing the Kanaba Mayama, thousands of Akoigi beneficiaries Mayama, Masidagi Pigadabaneva, Aduga Parja Singsi, Magi economic activities, Hangadabaneva. Unfruitful Wena, Sahima Polera Pasida, Sarkarna, Ming Junction Pidrivisi, Karigi, Oigdurino, Hivasi, Assembly the question Hangbayan and Nabagi, a preparation to with the Makta, Yang Balakpani. Hujik Pokti Equina over the embroidery. Loinamak Fielway have it in the tea. Anambana, I quite Uba Pangdaba, the Giri Piaring Chatki, Shem give a cocky labor, say, was my Natoba. I quite must say, Hena, effectively Pakalagana. Youths mayams in the Tabak empower Toba, Tabak Viva economic activity, Hengalhanba. Government give us a program, Amani, Masigi Yamna, effectively Kanaba, Pida Basimati Dum, we, government Masigi, a whole Malay, Uriba City, machinery mayam sing Yamna up to date or even not about machinery. Aduga low standard or machinery sings supply to Salamba. Adagi lack of management, I with the industry department now. High basing Fazana set up the Lanaba Honabada, workshet Pigadaba, Magi Center sing like the Basingi, Mafam Sana Sanas, Tauraga, management Nama, Taurakanda, PPP model, the Pazana Pitoka the Bodo. The machineries be am sing function talked about. Suguma Mayam say, Sigor Mena to win the late Yaro.